Okay, hi, I'm going to show you really quickly how to submit an assignment for a student that has forgotten. So I'm going to go into this math multiplication assessment, and you can see there's nothing to grade, okay? There's nothing to report. And when I click on by student, okay, so this is my me as a practice student in this course. You can see it says in progress, okay? But if the time limit has passed or the student has had difficulty with submitting, okay, over here, I can click submit, okay? When I click submit, okay, it turned in and it says scores pending, which means it is looking at their answers. Once it finishes checking, the score will show up. And the reason that happened is because here I'm just pulling up, this was me as the student doing this. I never clicked finish, okay? And because I never clicked finish, it didn't show up as completed or needed grading, right? So on the teacher end again, clicking here, okay? Now I can't submit again because I already did. So if I refresh this screen, usually it doesn't take too long. See, there we go, completed. I can see what the score was. That's not fantastic, but you can see this was the work that the student had completed on this assessment. Okay, again, this is me as a terrible student. So again, if you a student has forgotten to submit, it's from these three dots right here. Now, say the student submitted something incorrectly. You can unsubmit it and allow them to restart. Okay, that's another option. Or you can simply delete the attempt and make them restart it. Okay, if you unsubmit it, that means they're going to see what they already did. If you delete it, it just erases it completely. Okay, so this menu is super helpful, especially when students may have forgotten to click the finish at the end.